Video, I want to show you how I build this beautiful and wonderful house on a green highland. Wonderful. I just want to show you. Yes, don't you know that you can be building all those things and be selling it and be making money? So I just want to teach you for free because I know that in Nigeria, a lot of people today, more especially in Africa, a lot of people today, they are really suffering when we are using good phones. With just your phone alone, you can build this wonderful house, even more beautiful than even this one. I want to teach you. So click on my YouTube. Click on my YouTube. There is a free video tutorial that I have already placed for you to watch, so that you can have at least keys to work with this kind of things. After teaching you, you can be able to use that pattern to be building different kind of things that you can sell. Yes, follow me. I will even show you where you can be selling all your fine and beautiful things, and you'll be making money to help yourself. Yes, everybody that have big phone in Nigeria is supposed not to suffer. Yes, I don't vex, I dey vex. Make we help our economy. So all you have to do, stay with me. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Just be patient. Watch it to the end. And as you watch, learn. I'm going to teach you how you will be able to build it and become independent of your own and start using it to work for yourself and make money. Video, I want to show you how I build this beautiful and wonderful house on a green highland. Wonderful. I just want to show you. Yes, don't you know that you can be building all those things and be selling it and be making money? So I just want to teach you for free because I know that in Nigeria, a lot of people today, more especially in Africa, a lot of people today, they are really suffering when we are using good phones. With just your phone alone, you can build this wonderful house, even more beautiful than even this one. I want to teach you. So click on my YouTube. Click on my YouTube. There is a free video tutorial that I have already placed for you to watch, so that you can have at least keys to work with this kind of things. After teaching you, you can be able to use that pattern to be building different kind of things that you can sell. Yes, follow me. I will even show you where you can be selling all your fine and beautiful things, and you'll be making money to help yourself. Yes, everybody that have big phone in Nigeria is supposed not to suffer. Yes, I don't vex, I dey vex. Make we help our economy. If this is the only way I can help the economy, let me use it to help the economy. And if you love me and you want to really support me helping the economy freely, the way I'm helping, the way I want to help the economy, like and share this video so that other people self go still learn, get handwork, learn soft handwork, wetin dem go take dey put food for their table. After learning this, you can be a freelancer. You can be working as a freelancer and be making money. Yes, then when God help you, you buy laptop with the skills you have already gotten. You can be creating effects and be making money for yourself. So all you have to do, stay with me. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Just be patient. Watch it to the end. And as you watch, learn. I'm going to teach you how you will be able to build it and become independent of your own and start using it to work for yourself and make money. So wait to the end. And after this, try and make sure that you share this video. Share this video. Join me. Let us help people. Let us help people out from this suffering. Join me. Share this video. Make sure you share this video to people. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, because if there are some places you want me to teach you, it is only if you subscribe to my channel I will be able to connect you to the contact with which you can be able to reach me. So now make I start to teach you now wetin you go do. Later at the end of the video, towards the end of the video, I go show now the particular app when you go use for the video. So wetin you go do be say you go to that app. When you go to the app, you go choose scrapbook. When you choose scrapbook, you go see galleries. You go to your own phone gallery. But before this time, you go don save color or the pattern when you want to use to build the house where you want build. You go don save am for your phone, so that when you go to gallery, the gallery go take you to your phone. Then you go pick am. So like here now, I want to pick some colors some colors. I pick some colors, but I don't already get mat when I don't already save, so I will pick the mat as one of my materials. The reason why I pick this color, I might use it, but if I don't want to use it, I will delete it later. But I just pick them because for now I never know the kind materials when I want to use to build the house. You know, sometimes when you are building, you will be buying some kind of materials, and it's not all the materials you buy for the buildings that you will use. So I don't already pick the materials that I want to use to build the house. So now, after picking all the materials that you want to use, you now clear your space, at least shift them out from the main space. You go shift them. As you can see, I'm shifting them out one after the other so that I will have enough space to do my work. So now I want to start. So first, wetin I want to first of all do, now I want to create the body of the house that I want to build. So now is the house I want to create. So on that same app, you now go to crop. You go to crop. When you go to crop, you pick, you see where this scissors is. This scissors is the shape. You click on the scissors. When you click on it, it will take you to shape. When it take you to shape, you choose the shape you want. You choose the shape you want. Okay, I've choose my shape. So when you choose the shape, you crop it. You click on the crop. When you click on crop, it will bring out your shape. Then you now take your two ends. You now take your two ends to begin to enlarge them. You enlarge it to the size that you want. You enlarge it to the size that you want. So you can see after I enlarge it to the size I want, now I want to build the roof. So I have to pick the other mat for my roof. So you go back again to shape. You click on the shape. When you click on the shape, you now look for the shape that at least look like roof that you can use. So I pick up a triangular shape that looks like a roof of a hut. Okay, no, I made a mistake. Okay, let me try circle. No, best like circle will not work for me, so I took it off. Let me take off the circle. Let me take it off. It's not going to work. At least I need a triangular. No, this one will not work. Let me take a triangular shape so that it will look exactly like the ancient huts. I now took a triangular shape so that it will look like ancient huts. Okay, so I put it. You drag it to make sure that it looks like what you are looking for. You have to shape it so that it will look like what you are looking for. So you can see among those colors that I picked, now I took the gray color. Let me see if I can create out my window. So you now go to crop. When you go to crop, you crop it to your shape, to your size. I crop it to my size. Okay, I drag it to size. You drag it to size. Okay, I don't drag am to my size now. But I come dey look, e come be like say this window sef no fit my work, no? Since it's like wooden work that I'm doing, why not look for another window that I know that the color will match? So now how will I get window? Okay, you can get windows from your phone. So let's go to tools. Let's go to phone and click on the tools. Let us see the tools we have. So if you want to go to phone, you click on the test, which is T. When you click on test, it will take you to tools. So now I came to tools. Let me get door from tools. Okay, I first pick window. I pick window from tools. I pick window from tools. Let me take off that door so that I'll go and collect door from tools. Okay, let me go back to tools. so that I'll go and collect dough. But okay, let me reshape in the head very well. Let me shape in the head before I go to the tools. Okay, I don't shape the head very well. So I make I go tools, then I go collect dough. So okay, no, let me fix the windows first properly before door. So I don't fix the windows. So let me fix the windows properly. Okay, let me go and pick door. Don't pick door. Okay, let me fix the door well. Okay, fix the door. You have to make sure that you fix it so that the thing will look very beautiful. Okay, I don't fix the door. But I now look, at least I need some beautiful things on the ground so that it will look like the green island. So I now go and get a fine tree from my phone tools. So I have to position the tree very well. Okay, so now if I want more trees, I have to duplicate. So if you want to duplicate, you can duplicate it. So I now duplicate it. You can see now I'm trying to duplicate the trees. I'm trying to duplicate it. Okay, now I've duplicated the trees. So now at least let me make my surroundings colorful. I've made my surroundings colorful. You drag it. You drag it. Mind you, when you are dragging this thing, it might affect the main work that you have done. And if you find out that it affects the main work that you have done, you can still revisit the main thing. You see this drop down. Drop down means that this drop down simply means that what you are doing have gone down. So you have to click it. You have to tap it so that everything you have saved that has gone down will come up again. You have to tap it. So I now tap it. Everything that I placed there that have gone down now come up. So I have to rearrange it again. I have to rearrange it again. I have to rearrange it because I've brought it up again. Like that. So as at now, you can see that I finished my video. So I'm just trying to see the background that I will use that will make it look beautiful. But I've named it, so I want it to be a green house in a green island. So I need a green background. A green background. So which shade of green am I going to pick that will make it look beautiful? Okay, this shade of green, like turquoise green, is okay, because if I pick a full green, they will not see my garden. They will not see the garden at the front of the hut. It will make it look just too plain. So now they will not see the trees around. So let me leave it with a turquoise green. So now I've left it with a turquoise green. So finally, as you can see, I've built my hut. Finally, I've built my hut. So now that I've built the hut, how did I come with this result of something I just built like that? It now become glow and glittering like this. How? As in how? So that is the reason why you have to stay with me. Thumbs up your notification button, because I'm going to drop another tutorial of how you are going to turn that beautiful hut that you have built to be glittering for you. To be glittering. So that is going to be a work in another application, in another app. So stay tuned with me and make sure that you visit this channel often to see the update
on my video
so
and
my
watch
next
the
video
full video of how I build this beautiful hut that is making me to dance.
house. I'm still going to show you how I made it an environment that still somebody was dancing and everything. So I'm going to show you the tutorial one after the other. Make sure you share this channel. Make sure you follow us so that I'll be teaching you down to earth everything you need to know to be a wonderful creator on every platform you find yourself. God bless you. Thanks for watching.